Hi, Tony Fennell, Prime Automotive here in Scarborough, Maine. My cell is 978-764-1232. Want to show you this 2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. What a beautiful vehicle. Nice, beautiful silver, a lot of chrome. Real meaty, gorgeous Yokohama Geolanders wrapped around the alloy wheels. It's a STX model. FX4 off-road. She's clean. Tow hitch in the back with the electrical. Rear view camera. It's in real nice shape. Underneath it's clean. The running boards, cloth interior, gray with some black. Looks nice. It's in really good shape. Perfect work truck. Looks like it's never been plowed with. There's no plow frame on it. Thanks. Tony Fennell, Prime Automotive Group, 978-764-1232. Please give me a call.